So Ken is my eldest son, and just like many other parents, I want the best for him. I want him to do well in his studies. I want him to score high because having good grade means good future, good prospects. But that didn't turn out the way that I wanted to. He just struggled in his studies, especially mathematics and language subjects as well. I put him through many tuitions. After schools, after work, even at times, I will have to tutor him. That's so frustrating. He couldn't get it. And so one day before exam, I work with him on papers and I say to him like, hey Ken, these are easy questions. Why can't you nail it? You know, if you can't do it, you can't get A. And he would just look into my eyes and he said, Mom, they are not easy for me. And I don't understand why must I get A in maths? Why is it so important to you? And I was so stunned when he said that to me. And I look into his eyes and I realized that there is no sparks and joy in learning anymore for him. And little to my knowledge, that was actually my wake-up call. And there's an urgency for me to say I needed to do something for my child. I needed to change. And I decided to enroll him in Dignity. And that's when everything else started to shift.
So back then, I felt like my entire life was just based on grades. And if I had failed a single subject, then I wouldn't have been smart, or I'm not smart enough, or maybe I'm just not worth it. In that kind of environment, I feel quite defeated. And I started to lose myself. My confidence slowly disappeared. And before I knew it, I just started to shut off from everything. After joining Dignity, things started to change for the better. There were kind teachers, those who are patient with me. Yes, I mean, I still have to stay back for extra lessons because I was so far behind. But even though they are extra lessons, I really enjoyed them because I feel supported in every way. I did not feel judged whatsoever. And with every way they taught me and every interaction they had with me, I just enjoyed it throughout. I think I started to gain back my confidence when I joined the ASET program. Yes, we did learn business English, we learned business math. And for the first time, things made sense to me because I used to have this mindset where if it doesn't apply to me in real life, I'm just not going to use it. So in ASET program, they taught us practical subjects, skills that I could actually use in real life. It made me want to continue to do better.
So one day he came back and he was so happy. He was jumping and he asked me and said, Mom, guess what did I score from my maths? I was like, what do you score for your maths? And he's like, I scored 76. And that was the first time he scored. And he scored so well in business maths. I remember his face was glowing. It's been a long time I didn't see that smile on his face. He came so alive. He was so proud. I got my son back.
When Ken first joined ASET, he was showing his cheeky side, trying to push boundaries here and there. I think that's his way of hiding how unsure he felt. And when he felt safe and understood, he began to let his guard down. From then onwards, we started seeing him engaging better and also focusing better in class. So what really stood out to us was how well Ken responding to hands-on learning. And when he understands how something works and why it matters in real life, he began to engage better. And when he see how he could do it and he could do well, that's where we slowly see his confidence returning. And ever since then, he began to thrive.
大家好，我是 Joffrey， 我是 Kentucky 的 Assistant Manager。Between Ken 是我的 Intern Staff， 他去 handle 整个 operation， 好像 customer 有问题啊，这个是什么啊，所以他都会去帮忙客人去答他的问题啦，会帮忙去 lead 他们这样子哦。我觉得这个是一个很好的一个 staff 啊，对我来讲。
So when I know this guy, he was 17 years old, not even 18, yeah. But after I see him for the first time, he's a bit lost. But he came to learn. He came to learn, he's willing to learn, and obviously he's a fast learner. He brings his own style sometimes to tell us that this is how the way to treat the guests at this level. He can get the target right, he can get the service right, he can get the focus right. He was very, very helpful. I think this program really showed me there is quality in the student before come to us. And it's a very, very nice and ready mold. So you have this three. They have a proper English, they have the great mindset, and it's easier for the organization to deliver the training to be a better person for the future and for the industry.
So if I've not listened to my child and continued to push him the way I was, I believe I could lose him entirely. I must admit I focused too much on academic, but the reality is every child is so unique, and my child is unique too. And I trust that when a child is being placed in the right environment, he will thrive, he will shine, he will succeed. So when I finally let go of my child, I saw who he truly is right now. That's when I truly got my son back.